Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're on like the third day of face masks and we're gonna open another box. So I picked one of the weird white looking boxes. So it looks like it also has a tea tree option and I'm not sure what the difference is. I'm thinking the tea tree one is the same exact tea tree one in the other box, but it does come with a new DNA Proatin mask. I don't know why I'm struggling with these. DNA Proatin mask. Gotcha. Cool. So, I'm scared. I'm always scared to open boxes for some reason. Why? I don't know. I always feel like I'm going to rip the box and it ruins the value, but it doesn't matter because I'm not ever reselling it because I'm gonna use everything in the box anyway. So that's fine. Might take me a while here. This one has a white packaging. It's a defense natural aqua ring system with DNA. Oh god, who's DNA? Hopefully Jungkook's. Proatin mask. Prevent moisture loss with skin barrier protein mask. DNA along with sodium hyaluronate. I am not even gonna try. Supply moisture and nutrition to tired skin for revitalized, soft, and dewy looking skin. This one says it is for dry/combination skin. Okay, alright. I like the packaging as usual. Oh, it says it's creamy. I don't like anything that claims to be creamy unless it's like mashed potatoes. And it also comes with another side of tea tree, and I'm assuming they're the same exact ones, so I might not try this one. Okay, so here's the previous box. Let's see if they're the exact same. Tea tree care solution mask essential. So they're the exact same thing, just tea tree from a different pack. Oh god, I'm gonna drop them all on the floor. So you saw me try the tea tree one already, and I'm not going to be trying that one. I'll just try all the different ones. I think literally the other two boxes have tea tree ones in them as well, so we might be cutting this short by just, you know, YOLOing with that. Okay, so it came with that same card from the other one, so this DNA Proatin mask looks like it's RM's pick. Supposedly, yeah, okay. When skin is dry and flaky from winter weather, this moisturizing mask works great to prep our face for makeup. Well good, I wear a lot of makeup, so that's fine. So, wait. Yeah, that's this one. I don't know why I'm confused, what am I looking at? They're so precious. And it also comes with photo cards. I don't know if you're excited, but I am. This is the best part of my day. So, we're gonna open it. Stop. It comes in a cute little envelope package. It's got the derp on the back. The derp. Alright, I'm making a huge mess right now. So let's show off what is in here. I don't know what that was. Okay. So we're starting with RM. So precious. I'm gonna try to creep in on the side. Oh no, they're so cute. Ugh, I don't like that it's, I don't know what you want to call that. They're all wearing all white. It's kind of, I don't know. I'm just not even gonna finish that thought. It's just kind of, Jungkook. Oh no, I want these framed. They're so precious. Oh no, they're so cute. Jean. I hope. Looks like they're all in the same order as the last one. You mean about? Cute. Cute. So, as usual, they are cute. It's hard to be that perfect, I'm sure. Must be nice. I'm just gonna sit here and stare at the Jungkook ones moving on. So what we're gonna do now is jam this crap back in here. Ooh, How do I always manage to do this? Like, everything that comes out of the package literally never goes back in the same way. How do they get it in there? How do people get anything in anything? I don't understand. I'm having like a midlife crisis right now over these photo cards, please. Oh my god. Stop. All right. Jesus. Okay, so they're back in there. They're back in there. I don't think I need this. Leave a comment down below if you want that. All right, so you know what time it is. Now we are going to try the new one from that pack. RM's Pick with creamy DNA mask. I'm kind of scared. I don't know what any of that means. I don't know whose DNA it is. I'm hoping it's BTS's, but I'm sure it's not. Alright guys, you know what time it is. My camera is crooked as heck. So, here we are in my bathroom once again. Didn't think you'd be back here, did ya? We are gonna put this bad boy on. Once again, I don't know why I don't ever wear contacts for these. Like, what am I doing with my life? Let's see if I can get this crap heap out of my way. Ugh, I look like a freak with my hair up. My hair does not want to stay up, especially when it's wavy, and my hair just like looks like garbage, so sorry. Sorry that I look like garbage in all these videos, but it's for science. It's for science. It's okay. So, here we are. We have some form of blank canvas of my ugly face. It's not wanting to cooperate. Ooh. Ooh. Holy crap, this smells amazing. Good for you, RM. Oh no. Oh man. Oh, I gotta put my glasses back on for this. You have to see the inside of this container. Are you kidding me? Ooh my god. Can you see that? Stop. Stop. Don't fight me. Oh, I've got to rip it open. You've got to see this. This is disgusting. They were not lying when they said creamy. So, check that bad boy out. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no, it's covered in lotion. Let me just look at it. Look at that. Oh no, you guys. Holy, this is not good. Oh god, alright. I hope you know I'm doing this for science. Oh. Ooh, no. I'm doing y'all a solid here. Oh. Oh god. Try not to puke. Probably put that back into focus, huh? So this isn't all for naught. Alright, here we go. I really, really do not want this on my face. Okay. It smells very perfumey. Like, it kind of smells good, but it's honestly getting to a point where it's a little nauseating. Oh! Is it on? Oh, it's in my mouth. Oh, shoot. Yeah, it's in my mouth. Maybe I should keep it closed. Oh my god. It's so freaking disgusting. It is in my mouth. There's like a little mouth flap, so I'm thinking it's supposed to be. But I'm not gonna be able to talk. Oh, it's like running everywhere. It is like... It's like somebody dumped a bottle of like Jergens onto my face and then just like jerked off onto it. And I'm like rubbing that in. It is like... So let's see if this does something for me. I don't know if this is supposed to go on your lips or not. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes. I don't know how I feel, like everything on my face is kind of burning. So, ew. So I feel like I just dumped a bottle of Jergens on my face. It's definitely in my eyes and my mouth. I don't like that very much. I felt like those 20 minutes were awful. Like I was not relaxed because it was just like the fumes were like burning my eyes. So this is kind of one of those things where you use it and you just like lay on your bed with your eyes closed, like not doing anything. Oh, I cannot leave this on my face. I can't. I'm so sorry. Okay, so I don't know how I felt about that. Like, I feel like I just have a crap load of lotion on my face and I'm not enjoying it. Like, I almost had to wipe the excess off. Like, I know you're supposed to rub it in, but no, that is just not a good texture. It's not a good consistency. Ugh, no. I was not a fan of that one for sure. I feel like maybe tomorrow or like later I'm gonna feel better about it, but for right now I'm gonna say no. And the AC dressing one I did was actually like the best so far. Like it wasn't goopy, it wasn't like, it didn't smell, it wasn't bad, so far that's the winner. But we still have a whole nother box, 2 boxes actually to try out, minus the tea tree ones, but we'll see how those go, I guess. So I'll see all you guys in the next video. Bye!